Hello, hello. Happy pre-Easter Saturday, April 19th. Welcome everyone, whoever is watching. I appreciate you being a part of my life. This is Maria at eMarket Treasures, part-time reseller. And I hope you enjoy my content, and I also hope that you click on like and actually tell me in the comments if the jewelry is to your liking, or you prefer to see something else. I tell you, it is ferocious out there. The bidding wars are getting insane, and the jewelry itself are getting worse. It is getting harder and harder to get something special, unusual, and at the same time at affordable price. So I got actually two packages. This one I took out. They supposed to be Gemstones jewelry. And here in this little package, I got it. What's supposed to be just sterling silver jewelry. Okay. So guys, I don't know which one I'm gonna start first. The sterling silver or the necklaces, whatever here we got it. Maybe I'm gonna open this one first so I can warm it up, I suppose. Because on sterling, you know, especially the unchecked one, I'm not gonna be sure how to price that. But necklaces, I usually know. Okay. 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 So we got a little bit. Not that much. Oh, actually, I think that's bracelets and necklaces. That's what it is. Okay. All right, that's a beautiful pink angel skin. Ah, angel skin coral. And they also supposed to be sterling. That's what the title at shop Goodwill said, sterling jewelry. So most likely that is sterling, of course. I believe them because they check and test everything with their sophisticated machinery. That's a nice, cute necklace, but it's short one. Short one. Only 16 inches, so it's not that big. But the pink, I love the pink, how pretty that is, guys. That is so cute. What a nice coral. And you know, they're expensive, they're pretty expensive, but I'm gonna be pretty generous with you guys. I'm just gonna say 35 on this one for you. Probably if I have to list it, I'll be asking 60, 70, right? Okay. This one is... Oh, we got a little tangle. Ooh. I don't want to break anything. What is this? Oh, that's a bracelet. Oh, double strand bracelet. Ah, and with extender. Okay, let me just put my glasses on, guys, so I can see better. Alright, yeah, we got it marked 925 right here. And that looks like a dyed howlite. 2 strands. And sterling silver. So let's see how big that bracelet's gonna be. If we put on a last jump ring, what's gonna be the biggest? Well, if we put on the very last one, we got it 7. But that could be 6 and smaller. Okay, so it's sterling silver. I would say we're gonna do 15. Okay. We got another one with gemstones. Looks like jasper and sterling. Yeah, we got a sterling silver. Maybe I should test this because I don't see a mark, but I don't think they're gonna be lying when they said sterling lat has to be sterling, right? But I'm gonna test in a while and I'm gonna put on a screen. Okay, this one measures 708. I would also say we're gonna do 15 on this one. And this is nice necklace with, I believe, really pearls. Let me double check. They're not scratchy. The little one are not scratchy. Oh, so we only got this one. That real. Yeah, this flat coin real. And they put unreal pearls in this necklace. Oh, unfortunately. This is sterling silver right here. Gino, be quiet, I'm recording. Okay, this is sterling silver right here. Okay. And it's 16 inches. So since we got sterling, but we don't have a real pearls, I'm just gonna say we're gonna do 12 on this one. Okay. And here, oh, that's a pretty yellow. Oh, why did glass have a blue color inside? I don't know. Bubble, there is bubble inside, and something blue that looks like little flowers. I guess they were trying to make an art glass. Alright, and this one are just plain. But this necklace looks kind of old. Because these little beads, they look not shiny. Maybe they need thorough washing to bring the shine back. But that's a pretty yellow color. And again, Mark 925 right here, sterling silver. That's a cute necklace. This is like everyday necklace. 20, no, not 20. With extender 18 inches. But without extender you can make it, you know, a couple of inches shorter. If you want to, you can do pretty short one. Okay. And this one is pretty. And have a lot of sterling inside. I would say 19. Okay, 19 on this one. This is bracelet. I don't know, are they gonna be stone or not? Because looks too perfect for a stone. The design looks too perfect. So probably it's not real stone, because I never see such a design in any stones. It could be glass, maybe. The lily brown one looks like smoky, you know, smoky, what's the name of that gemstone? Smoky something. Okay, toggle clasp. You know what? I should bring my stone and double check, because lots of this jewelry doesn't have a marking. So let me bring the stone, guys. 1 second. All right, guys. I scratched it the way they laying on the table, everything, and we're gonna see. This, and this one. Wow, everything is blue. So they was not lying. You see? Everything is nice and blue. So every piece is sterling here. Okay, I better wipe that out thoroughly before I burn myself. Okay, all right. So I guess we can trust Goodwill, right? Okay. Next piece is short tiny necklace. Oh, with such a nice little heart closure. I can see the mark right here, 925. That's a cute heart. Oh. And sparkly red bicon beads. And we got a little bit of sterling silver in between. Right here, little, rondelles. And this ornate ones. And here, bigger ones. That's a cute necklace. I like it. It's also like everyday necklace. Only 16 inches. But this could be everyday necklace. That's a pretty one. Oh. 19. Okay. That's a big chunky one. And I believe this earrings belongs to this one. But the earrings doesn't have a backs. But that's no problem. I have backs. Okay. Oh, this one have a little cheap, like a flea bite. Oh, that's okay. That's not visible. Who will see that? Nobody will see that. Anyway, I'm gonna throw them for free. And we got it substantial, nice toggle clasp. Easy peasy, perfect. Heavy, cold. Oh, what a nice gemstone, like a Dalmatian dog. How they call this stone? Buffalo stone or Dalmatian dog stone. That's a nice stones. I like it. That's a nice one. Okay. And this one is a little long. 14 inches drop. So it's 28 inches necklace. Ah, that's pretty thing. I would say $25. It's pretty heavy, gold. Have nice feel to it. All right, now I got it. Colorful bracelet. Also have a mark right here, 925. And have an extension, so you can have any size you want. Okay, at the longest, it's gonna be 7.2 at the longest. Or you can have a like 1 inch shorter. Okay. With this beautiful sterling silver, I would say $12. $12, okay? My tongue is getting twisted. Okay, the earring's gonna go for free with the necklace, whoever buys it. Okay, another one in the same style and fashion, but this one seems to have a bigger lobster clasp. The mark is right here, guys. This clasp is a little bit bigger than the first one. Yeah, it is bigger. That's a nice clasp. Okay. Hmm, 6.8. Doesn't quite reach 7. Maybe. Well, if someone have a bigger wrist than that, you know, you can have another jump ring just like this one. Easy job. That's a pretty bracelet. You know, I never pay attention to those kind of bracelets before, but then I took another look. I found one and I put on myself. Okay, oh, hair. Okay, I put on myself, and I can tell that my boring plain silver jewelry is looking nicer with little color added. You know, it's bringing up that boring silver to more happy looking. And I don't know why I never pay attention to those bracelets, but now I like them. So I kept one. Okay. On this one we're gonna do 14. Okay. Okay, let me just organize things. Next one. Okay, earring. But with what those earrings belong? I don't see any necklace to these earrings. They nice. They nice. I don't see mark. They have to be sterling silver, right, guys? They have to be. They do scratch like silver. Oh, come on. Yeah, bright and blue. Yeah, so they are silver. So as you can see, many jewelry is not marked, but it's silver. So that's how it is. Okay. So on this silver earrings, we're gonna do $10. Okay. I don't know if they go with this bracelet. Not really. That's a nice bracelet. Very nice. Look how they make this, you know, dots. Interesting. The blue one is nice. Yeah, the blue ones look so nice. And even it's here on the end of the extender. And also lobster clasp. Marked right here. Okay. If we put on the longest, we got it. We got it. 7. Yeah. But the longest is 7. Okay. $12. And this one have a heart. Okay. 2 hearts and have a ribbon like that. I don't know what kind of a awareness that would be. Some kind of a awareness, the ribbon, right? And let's see, we got really pearls. Yeah, we do. They are real. And you know, they are like a pale pink color. Not totally white, but like a beautiful pale pink. Pretty. That's a nice bracelet. I like it. Really? Oh, there is something here. I just noticed that. Oh, $9.25. And some kind of a design. And what kind of a design is that? Something like a maker mark. But I don't know what's that. Well, how you toggle it? I guess you can use this heart as a toggle. That's the only way I can tell. 6.7, so it's not too big. If someone needs to have a bigger, I guess they need to add something to it, but what and how? Let me see. Maybe, I don't know, maybe another open charm or something. or just a simple jump ring. Possibilities are endless. Okay, so on this bracelet, I'm gonna say we're gonna do 15. Okay, and that's the end of the silver. Yeah, I mean, not silver, what I'm saying. That's the end of the bag with the gemstone silver. And now I have to go get this one. But I need a little break, guys. I need to drink some coffee. I'll be back. Stay tuned. Alright, here is our beautiful sterling. I open it so you don't hear that tape clicking sound. And I guess we're gonna see what we got here. What kind of treasures. Okay. What do we have here? Oh, that's a vintage lacquer, guys. Look at the etching. Isn't it beautiful lacquer? Hinge. This is the back. It's kind of plain. No engraving, nothing. Let's see inside. Patina, but it's empty. Yeah, patina need to be clean if anybody like to have a nice and shiny, but some people like blackish. Clicking is good, strong clasp. Okay, what we got here, it looks like an oak leaves or something. This type of lacquers, they go for a lot of money online, guys. I didn't precisely look today, but you know, I know from my previous experiences. Here we got it. Spring ring. I see a mark 925. And I see another mark 925 here. Okay. Well, guys, and this beautiful lacquer, vintage, I would say $30. They go for much more than that, believe me. Okay, next piece. Let me see. Oh, they have a nice strong bags in this shop Goodwill. They must be like 4 millimeters or something. Okay. Okay. We got it. Spring closure. I see a mark 925 here. And there is a fleur-de-lis on the side of the chain. You see the lily. And here I see a pendant. I don't see a mark, but I'm certain that this is silver. And I see peridot. And I see, I think, that looks like a ruby. Or maybe amethyst? What you guys think? It's more reddish or it's more pinkish? Either or, either ruby or amethyst. Beautiful pendant. That's a nice piece. Really nice piece. And this one I also would say Tori. Okay. Next one. What do I see here? One earring. And it's kind of twisted. It's supposed to be 2 earrings, but it's only one. I guess they didn't have it 2. And I did not notice that in a picture. But it's better to have 1 earring. Maybe someone can make another pendant with this earring. You can cut off, just snip it off that stud. You got a nice hook here. You can have another extra pendant. Okay. And here we got a pendant. That's a nice citrine. All some other gemstone. Okay, we got little tiny, I believe they could be zirconia, or maybe little diamonds. I don't know, but it's a nice pendant. Nice one. Yeah, chain is Mark 925 Italy, spring ring. Okay, so this with the earring, $25. Okay, another bag. Oh, oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Wolves. Camera, come on, camera. Start focusing here. I love wolves. Oh, that's so meaningful ring. And I think it says here sterling. Yeah, it says sterling in a ring. That is, the word sterling indicates that the ring is old, because they started to say, to mark jewelry 925 probably in the 80s. Sterling is older than 1980s. I love those wolves. Oh my goodness. Look, guys. Isn't that something? I always loved wolves. I even have paintings of wolves on my hallway. Like dozens of them, different wolves in the frames. Oh, wow. Oh, this ring, where is gonna be the middle? Middle is on 5.5, or maybe 5.75. Yeah, rather 5.75 is the middle. I would say $30 on that beautiful ring. Okay. A bracelet with evil eye. Colorful one, all colors. Chain links. Okay, and substantial big lifesaver clasp. This one is 7. And this has to be hollow sterling silver. You know, like there is a space between the walls of each link, because the weight is not heavy enough to be solid. So they call it hollow. But nonetheless, it is a beautiful bracelet. And there is a tag here, a little tag I see. What is it saying? It's saying, I don't know, it's so little, guys. Where is my little loop? $9.25, I see. Upside down, but Turkey. Oh, Turkey. Okay, so it was made in Turkey. All right, 20 buckaroonies. 20 buckaroonies. Another solitary ring. I don't see a mark, but certainly looks sterling. And that is definitely cubic zirconia, judging on the sparkling. Yeah, the rainbow sparkling. And this one is 6.5. Okay, so on this ring, 25. Heart. Oh, that's lacquered, another lacquered. Okay, empty. Still have that little glass, plastic, So you can put your own picture under it. Latch works perfect. Okay. Spring ring with mark. 925 right here. That's a cute locket. I like the two colors, pink with clear. Very pretty one. Yeah, I would say also 25 on this one. And tiny bracelet with heart. Nice heart. Oh, you can take that heart off because I see it's on a, you know, on a openable clasp. Yeah, and it said here 925. There is the mark here. A little stretchy, but strong stretch. 6.8, let's say 7. And the bracelet, I do 15. Okay. And we got it. Turtle. Okay, that's nice turtle. Needs cleaning. So much patina inside. Oh. Yeah, so much patina. Some kind of a dust. Yeah, that needs to be, definitely needs to be cleaned. Look at it, guys. Okay, nice turtle. Nice chain. Spring ring. Mark is right here. I would say $20. Oh, another bracelet. This one doesn't have any charm. They can go together, right? Okay, so on this one I would say $10. Okay. Some kind of a fish, bone, skillet. What is it saying? TG 245. Oh, Mexico. Mexico 925. TG, like maybe Taxco or something. Okay. Okay, so on this skeleton fishy, I would say we're gonna do 20. Okay. A ring. Oh, maybe they are tiny diamonds. They look like. 7.5. Cute. I mean, too big. Like this. Yeah. It's definitely for layering with other rings. Would be perfect. Okay. And on this one, I don't see a mark. Oh yeah, I see. 925 right here, it is. Okay, so it's marked. We're gonna do 19 and the bend. And we got it. Another bend. Oh, cool. Okay, and this bend is also passing 7.5 a bit. Okay. Yeah, so that's about my size. I also gonna say 19 on this one. Okay. Earrings. Smallish one. They more like for child. I guess adults can wear them as well, right? And the earring 15. And here we got it. Let me just open them. And, oh, it's glued. So good. Okay. Oh, that's native earrings, guys. That's definitely native. With these paddles dangling. They not sign. Okay, they beautiful earrings. Gee, why I have such a stuffy throat? I guess I need more coffee or something. Something to lubricate my voice. Okay, beautiful earrings. And this one, I would say 20 macaronis, guys. And that's the end of silver. Okay, so next chapter is gonna be costume jewelry, low price set. Let me get them. 1 second. Alright, here I prepared the tray of costume jewelry that I'm gonna be pricing really inexpensively. So it's gonna be affordable for anybody, even for people on a budget, I think. Okay, alright. So here we got it. Cuff bracelet, silver tone with something gold in a center. Smallish for very small hand. Measures only like 6 inches. So I'm gonna say $2 on this one. Okay. Here we got another one. This one is nicer because I have a beautiful etching. Floral etching. Great condition. And this one looks also smallish. Yeah. 6.3 in the center. Alright. So this one I'm gonna say let's do $4. Here we got it. Some sort of natural gemstone, wrapped in a silver tone metal, probably done by some kind of artisan. Nice chain, spring ring. I'm gonna say 2 macaronis on this one. I got a ring, and this is mosaic. Look at that. That is a beautiful Italian mosaic. That's a nice ring. It could be adjustable because it's open. And right now it's sitting at 6.5. But as you can see, you can make it smaller and you can make it bigger. It's a nice mosaic ring. I think that mosaic is worth 5 macaronis, guys. That's special. Okay. Heavy necklace, glass. Most likely, I didn't check, but I think it's glass. Spring ring. It's kind of older. Yeah, that's an older necklace. Great condition. And have a bits in between that are not black. They look like that, like smoky quartz. Yeah, that's probably smoky quartz. Heavy necklace. But still, I'm gonna say 5 macaronis on this one. Okay. This is something, I believe, designer. Who is that? LC. Okay. Silver tone double chain. Textured gold pendant. Like this, very long chain. Sanded Liz Claiborne. I would say we're gonna do $4. Okay. Another modern chain. Tangle it a little bit. Let me see what I can do with this. Okay. Okay. It's a brassy tone with charms. You get all sorts of charms. Flower. Here another flower. Flying birds or flying butterfly. Yeah, I think it's a butterfly sitting on a flower. Okay, nice modernist chain. Necklace. I don't know. Oh, we also gonna do $4 on this one. Okay. Pendant chain, Lily Heart. Who is this? I don't know. Maybe someone. Saying something. Design come. Oh, sunshine. Nice sunshine. I'm just gonna do $1 on this one. I got it. I think this is apple, an amulet. Nice dark red color apple. It's a bitten, so it's a New York apple. Rhinestones here. Okay, nice chain. We're gonna do $4 on that apple. And here, I got it. Oh, this one actually, guys, is sterling silver toggle because I test. So the big toggle is sterling silver. This is a quart, brown color. And we got some gemstones, some ceramic here. And I also test this one. These two are also sterling silver. Okay. So for this necklace, I'm gonna say 10 buckaroonies because you got it. A lot of nice sterling silver here. Okay. It's a short one. 16 inches. All right. I got it. Brooch, cameo, vintage, sort of vintage. Not sign. We're gonna do $5 on a cameo. Nice bracelet, silver tone, fold over clasp, blue rhinestones, they all present. Nice soft slinky bracelet, a little bit past 7, slightly. It's a really soft bracelet, guys, like mushy. Cute. They say price? 5 buckaroonies. Okay. And we got another bracelet, wrap around. So it's more like a modernist with buckle. That's a leather, black leather. We're gonna do $3 on this one. Modern chain, long one. Not sign, not that I see. But have a nice, like a tortoiseshell's discs here. It's cool. Yeah, that's a nice necklace. Great condition. Perfect. Well, I would say $4 on this one. Nice colors. It's probably mother of pearl, I think. Okay. We got it. Nautical brooch. Perfect condition, like new. $4. Cuff bracelet with something that could be a gemstone or could be synthetic. I didn't check, guys. It's a nice cuff bracelet. Looks smallish. Oh, only 6.4. So really small. Maybe could be bendable a bit this way or that way. Yeah, slightly, not too much because the metal is not that soft, but it's possible to adjust a bit. Okay, we're gonna do $3 on this one. And we got a beautiful butterfly. Look, his wings are moving. You can position the wing in any other different direction. Look at that. How cool is that? Wow. Nice brooch. Yeah. I would say $5 on the butterfly. And earrings. White enamel. Like a milky white. Oh, that may be a glass. It's kind of glassy feeling. Oh, they look like new. Look at that. Nice earrings. I think they worth $4, right? They look like gold. Very nice gold plating. They look good. Yeah. Speaking of gold, guys, I just remember something, and whenever I remember that, I'm laughing like crazy. I tell you the story. When I was starting my YouTubing journey, my jewelry YouTubing journey about a year ago, first, before I even attempt to do videos on my own, I had to start from watching other people's videos because I need to learn how they do it, that video, how they position the camera. I didn't know those things. So I was watching, but there were so many of them that I didn't know which one to watch. But one of them was having like a big bold lettering across the thumbnail, right? And it was saying, it was really large, gold, gold. I said, oh boy, I need to watch this video. And you know, when they put so much emphasis on that gold thing, I was expecting like a brick of gold, like maybe from US Treasury gold, right? So I'm watching and watching that video. Nothing. Somewhere at the end of the video, they found one freaking teeny mini earring, like a one tiny stud earring with like a gold post, right? I said, oh, fuck, I'm sorry. I watched the whole video. I was watching like a junkie, shuffling junkie jewelry to see the one freaking small teeny mini earring. Oh no. So, you know, some people are really putting so much emphasis on little things, but I tell you, that was an excellent clickbait. I have to give them this. That was excellent clickbait. But you know, many people in videos, not necessarily jewelry video, but any videos, they're using so much strange wording to title it their video that is not really reflecting the content. I couldn't do that. I wouldn't feel good doing that. So that's the story. Okay. All right. A brooch. Nice one. $2. Oh, that's a nice bracelet. Look at beautiful rhinestones, green one. A nice ending here. That's a nice glass, also green. Ooh, look at that, guys. Nice green glass. It's strong, heavy. 6.7, 6.8. $4. Okay. That's a cute pendant with Tree of Life. And I think this one is opening. I'm not sure. That looks something mushy, soft inside. And maybe this is something to put a scent in. I didn't figure it out how to open this. It looks like it's supposed to open. Well, mystery pendant. Mystery pendant, we're gonna do $3 on him. Okay. That's a nice necklace. And I think they are really pearls. No, they're not. They're not. Okay. So it's just a nice necklace. That's probably, I forgot the name of this one. You know, that kind of gemstone. Okay. $4 on that necklace. Okay. That's a cute one. I like that penguin. It's such a sweet penguin, isn't it? Hematite, cat eye. Nice necklace. 5 macaronis on this one. A gemstone. Some sort of healing rack. And the chain is handsome. Look how handsome is that braided snaky chain. Perfect condition. As you can see, everything is nice and clean, not worn out. Super perfect wear. Okay, $4. Oh, birdies, doves, peace, love. Sweet brooch. Very sweet brooch. Vintage. Okay, we're gonna do $4. What is this? Why did I put this in? That looks like a worthless. I'm gonna throw it for free to whoever buys something. Okay, this is nice hearts. Fold over clasp, 2 of them. That's nice. 7.5. Looks like brand new. We're gonna do $4. Another brooch. Faux pearl. Bow. And it's sign also. Who is that? That is somebody, guys. Avon? Do I see this good? I don't know. Anyway, designer brooch. So, under the brooch, I would say 7 macaronis. Sorry, I didn't have my morning coffee yet. I was trying to record this video quickly before everybody's still sleeping, because if they wake up, it's gonna be a lot of commotion in the house. Okay. Cute rhinestone sparkly necklace. Black background, like a hematite. Like a charcoal color. Really sweet necklace. I say we're gonna do $3. And we got this nice tooth. That's a nice bluish greenish stone. Look like opal, right? Okay, we're just gonna do $2 on them. And this is bracelet. Like a sporty baseball, football. I'm not a sport fan, so I don't know nothing. I know nothing about this, but it's some sort of sport. $3. Another one. Druzy beads, gold beads, adjustable. $1. Okay. Big hoop earrings. Fashion. Rhinestones on one side. Okay, and plain on this side. We're just gonna do $1. And something rosy. Nice rich red color. Roses or flowers. Necklace. Oh, that's like a bolo type necklace. Slidable. Oh, that's cool. That's a very nice necklace, guys. Look, you can slide it like this. You can adjust anywhere you want. How to position those roses, those flowers. Nice rhinestones. Shiny. Looks like gold. Yeah, the chain looks like really gold. That's a sweet looking necklace. I would say $5 on him. Okay. Another buns, $2. Okay. Oh, this one are pretty. Oh, we got art glass, like Murano glass. They are pretty. I would say $4 on them. Okay. This one, modern hoops. They look like brand new. We're gonna do $2. Oh, adjustable bracelet with red string. Oh, red string could be like a protection string for evil eye, right? I suppose. 6.3, but it's adjustable. Can be a little smaller or a little bigger. Okay, $3. Okay. Oh, that's a nice disco balls. Oh, how shiny they are, like in a disco. And they are actually clip-ons. Oh, clip-ons. Okay, $2. Some kind of a coat of arms, I think. Pendant, medal, coat of arms. Nice, good chain. $2. And here I think we got Avon. Could be. Yeah, we got Avon. Sweet looking. Yeah, we're gonna do $2 on that Avon. It's light and that doesn't feel like a glass. Okay, so 2 macaronis. We got M brooch. Not many people with M that I know, only me. Okay, $1. And here we got some earrings. Okay, this is something broken. Oh, that earring got broke. Oi, that's a bird. I mean, not broke, like came out. It should be slid back in and probably glue it or something, right? You know, guys, and this whole thing, $1. Okay, because you're gonna need to reinforce this ring, so this bead, so it won't slide out. Birdies are very nice. They have a screw back. Okay, and these cute flowers. I'm gonna do $1 on the whole little bunch, okay? And that's the end of the tray, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the thumb up if you enjoyed my video. And also tell me which type of jewelry you like the most. And I wish happy Easter to all. And see you next Saturday. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.